In today's video, in the train station, if you walk through these rails, there's supposedly like a vent which has something in it. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's something. So let's get to it. Okay. I think it's somewhere here. Yep, it's over here. I think this is what we're looking for. Okay. Okay, vent. Oh, okay. See, there's something here. Okay. Oh, there's also someone.
What do you seek, young one?
What do you mean? I don't know.
Well, if it is that you seek Egyptian gold and cotton, this is woven from a pharaoh's gold and cotton, turned into an absolute masterpiece of clothing.
Oh, wow. What about these two?
This is the first hookshot made in all of Animal Company. It is made out of a dwarf star's metal. And this is a one-of-one golden revolver.
How much does the revolver sell for?
This is 100 million company coins.
100 million. That is crazy. How much for the hook shot?
Let's say 50,000.
Wow. Wait, is this the price for everything?
No, I said this is 100 million, and this is...
Yeah, but like maybe when you buy it with everything, it might be a good deal.
If you want everything,
Yeah.
it's 100 million and 55,000.
55,000. Damn. That's pretty expensive. With tax invasions and everything. You know, I'm kind of broke right now. For everything, I'll give you 100.
Excuse me?
Like 100 company coins. Oh.
You know what? Get out.
No, please, sir, don't do it. No, my,